In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar to your Shopify store. And I'll share 5 quick examples along the way to inspire you. An announcement bar is one of the easiest ways to highlight promotions, share important updates, or guide your visitors to key products. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This is where you'll control how your storefront looks. Next, under the Themes section, find your active theme and click Customize. This will open the Theme Editor, where you can adjust the design of your store. Don't get overwhelmed. Today, we're only focusing on the announcement bar. In the editor, look for the announcement bar section and click on it. This opens up your customization options. You'll see a default message already there. Click it to edit. Now type something attention-grabbing like free shipping on orders over $50, flash sale, 30% off today only. New arrivals just dropped. Buy one, get one free. Holiday sale ends Sunday. These are all great ways to grab customer attention and drive action. Next, let's link it. Under the link field, choose where you'd like the announcement bar to send customers. For example, you could connect it to a specific product page, a collection, or even a special promotion page. This way, when visitors click the bar, they'll land exactly where you want them. Once you're happy with your text and link, make sure to click Save in the top right corner. This activates your new announcement bar on your live store. And that's it! You've just set up a professional announcement bar in Shopify. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in conversions and customer engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you showcase your promotions more effectively.